Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Srivastava. I am teaching about Newton's laws, and here we are you will please watch this video for the whole video and press the bell icon, and also please subscribe it. So now we are going to start the Newton's laws. So the Newton's first law of motion, it is when a body is in motion, it continues to move in motion. When a body is in rest, it continues to move in rest. When a body, it continues to be in rest. When a body is moving in a certain direction, it continues to move in that certain direction unless an external force is applied to change that present state. This is known as the Newton's first law of motion. It is based on the law of inertia, and therefore it is also called the law of inertia. What is inertia? That is the question that comes to us, and inertia is the tendency of a body to continue its present state and to oppose any change in its present state, whether it is the state of motion or it is the state of rest or the body is moving in a particular direction. So there are three types of inertias. Inertia of motion, when a body is in motion and it continues to move in motion and resist a change in its present state, it is known as inertia of motion. Then inertia of rest, when a body is in rest and continues to move in rest, it is continues to be in rest, then it is known as inertia of rest. When a inertia of direction, when a body is moving in a certain direction, it continues to move in that particular direction. So have you all got this? Now we are doing the example for inertia of motion, and we are going to understand about inertia of motion with the help of an example. So the inertia of motion, the example can be when a person or a passenger is sitting in a bus and the bus is moving. Suddenly the driver applies the brakes to stop the bus, so the bus suddenly stops, but and the passenger tends to fall in the forward direction. Then the question arises, why he falls in the forward direction? This is because of the inertia of motion, because initially the body of the passenger is moving along with the bus. So, but when the bus suddenly stops, its upper part still moves with the same velocity as the bus was initially moving, but its lower part has come to rest because it is in directly contact with the floor of the bus, and due to which its upper part tends to move in the forward direction, and therefore it tends to fall in the forward direction. Inertia of, now the next one is the inertia of rest. When a body, when suppose a passenger is sitting in a bus and the bus is stationary, suddenly the driver starts the bus and the bus starts to move in the forward direction, then the passenger falls in the backward direction. This is also because of the inertia of rest, because initially the passenger was in rest And when the bus starts moving, its lower part of the body begins to move, whereas the upper part remains still in rest, and due to which it tends to fall in the backward direction. This is because of the inertia of rest. And inertia of direction, the example can be a passenger is sitting in a bus and the bus is moving in a straight line. Suddenly, at a turn, it turns towards the left. The bus turns towards the left, then the passenger tends to fall in the opposite direction. This also happens because of the inertia of direction, because the bus has moved in the left direction, whereas the passenger is still moves in the straight direction, because initially the bus was moving in the straight direction. So this is also because of inertia of direction. So have you all got this? So please subscribe this my video and please watch it till the end. This is the basic concept for the Newton's first law of motion. Thank you.